Hey everyone, welcome back to Random Crime Vids Daily. Today, we're diving into a case that has captured the attention of the U.S. Supreme Court. The story of death row inmate Richard Glossip. Convicted of murder in 1998, Glossip has been fighting to prove his innocence for over 2 decades, with the state of Oklahoma now agreeing that his trial was deeply flawed. Could his conviction be overturned? Let's break down this remarkable case. Richard Glossip was convicted of orchestrating the 1997 murder of his boss, Barry Van Trees, at an Oklahoma City motel. The killer, Justin Sneed, confessed to beating Van Trees to death with a baseball bat, but claimed that Glossip paid him $10,000 to commit the murder. In exchange for his testimony, Sneed avoided the death penalty and received a life sentence. Glossip was found guilty, but his conviction has always rested on Sneed's testimony. There was no physical evidence linking him directly to the crime. Since Glossip's conviction, evidence has emerged that prosecutors withheld crucial information. Sneed had been diagnosed with bipolar disorder and was being treated with lithium during the trial, a fact that was not disclosed to Glossip's defense. Sneed even testified that he had never seen a psychiatrist, which was a lie. This information could have drastically undermined Sneed's credibility and the state's case against Glossip. Despite these revelations, Oklahoma's Court of Criminal Appeals upheld Glossip's conviction and death sentence. However, Oklahoma's Attorney General, Gentner Drummond, agreed that the trial was flawed and is supporting Glossip's bid for a new trial. This has led to the rare scenario where both the defense and the prosecution are arguing for the conviction to be overturned. The case has now reached the U.S. Supreme Court, with the justices hearing arguments on whether Glossip should get a new trial. Several justices, including Brett Kavanaugh and Elena Kagan, expressed concern that the withheld evidence could have impacted the jury's decision. Justice Kagan pointed out that Sneed was exposed as a liar during the trial, and Justice Kavanaugh noted that Sneed's mental health issues raised serious questions about his credibility. Justice Clarence Thomas, however, seemed more skeptical, focusing on the role of the original prosecutors and their conduct in the case. The justices are now weighing whether to overturn Glossip's conviction, send the case back to Oklahoma for further review, or uphold the original ruling. Attorney General Drummond's decision to back Glossip's appeal is highly unusual, particularly in a death penalty case. Drummond conducted an independent review of the case and concluded that Glossip's conviction should not stand due to the prosecutorial misconduct surrounding Sneed's testimony. This has made the case a significant test of the justice system's ability to correct past errors, even after decades have passed. The outcome of this case could have major implications not just for Richard Glossip, but for death penalty cases across the U.S. Glossip has faced execution 9 times, coming within hours of death on several occasions. The Supreme Court's decision could offer him a chance at a new trial and potentially freedom. The case also shines a spotlight on the broader issues of prosecutorial misconduct and the use of flawed testimony in death penalty cases. With the nation watching, the Supreme Court is expected to make its ruling by June 2025. So, what do you think about Richard Glossip's case? Should the Supreme Court overturn his conviction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok and subscribe to Random Crime Vids Daily on YouTube for more deep dives into high-profile cases and justice system controversies. Thanks for watching. As always, stay curious and stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.